Hi everyone, welcome to another Royar video. Today we are walking the Warbler forest. Hopefully it'll be an interesting walk. We haven't been here before. We'll give it a shot. If you care to join us, let's go. Apparently this forest has a lot of hills, ups and downs, so it'll be an interesting and challenging walk. Oh, little guy. Oh, he ran away. It's a cute chipmunk. Apparently there is deer here, so we are hoping. Yes, we are hoping we can see some deer today. That's a squirrel. Okay, I think we're gonna take the straight path. Safe for food, shelter, and nesting. Oh, interesting.
Pretty
Oh, there's like metals here. Like a mesh.
But it looks like it's kind of drying up though.
Yeah, I don't see anything up there. I'm trying to not touch anything. I don't see anything up there.
But up top it looks like kind of dried up. It's dried
I can see leaves on it. Or is it?
I
I'm not sure.
don't know. But do you think, how did that happen?
I'm not sure. Let's check around. Oh, looks like this metal, it's like a part of a fence. Like an old fence. Looks like it goes all the way that way. Yeah, that tree looks like it's held up for woodpeckers to pick at. So much mayapple.
Is there any on them?
I would imagine if there is, squirrels already picked at them.
Yeah, because I don't see any. Maybe you're right.
Yeah, squirrels already helped themselves.
They ate all of it.
Yeah,
There's nothing. I don't see any on them.
yeah. Squirrels are good at that.
They must be delicious. That's why they ate all of them.
Feels like it recently rained, so the earth feels really damp. It has a distinct smell, you know, when you get fresh rain and that smell from the earth that comes after. That's the kind of smell we have in the woods right now. I don't know if I described that properly.
Which way?
This way or this way? I think we're gonna go this way.
Okay.
I believe, based on all trails, because we're ending right here, and we had planned to take the straight road, basically where we took off, and we're just going to take the straight path, no detours. Want to go all the way here. Lots of ups and downs. Pretty hilly, isn't it?
Yep. Good workout here. You don't need to go to the gym. Just come once a day here and you're all good to go.
And you're completely sheltered by the trees.
Yeah.
So even on a sunny day,
You won't feel anything.
you won't. I doubt you'd get hit by any sunlight.
Yeah. Doesn't look like it will get any sun.
But probably you will have to protect yourself from mosquitoes, so you'll probably need bug spray.
Yeah.
Today you don't need it because it's kind of cool out and it's a bit breezy, so mosquitoes are not active. It is a great day for a walk though.
Sure is.
Some nice boardwalk coming up. Okay, now which way? This way? I think we're supposed to go that way.
I think so. I think we're almost toward the end of the trail.
Yeah, it's a short trail. So we took the straight path through, and then when we come back, we'll take, towards the end, we'll take the loop around. So kind of change it up a little bit. What's going on here? There's mosquitoes in here. It looks like we already made it to the end of the trail, and you can see houses on the other side. That wasn't very far.
No, it wasn't. It was pretty short.
Took us about 39 minutes.
It felt less than 39 minutes for me.
We've been stopping and all that stuff, but the straight path is a lot less than that. Now we go back, but towards the end we're gonna take a left turn.
Sure.
That is an interesting tree.
Alright. It looked like it's split in four.
Yeah, one base.
Yeah, split into 4 pieces.
Cool. Warbler Woods is a very short walk, but it's very refreshing. Feels like it might be raining. It's getting darker out.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain anyway.
Yeah. Well, it's been raining, so
On and off, yeah.
yeah. But it looks like it might be raining again because you can feel it in the air. Absolutely love that sound. I think it's raining, but it's hard to tell because we're in the woods.
Because of the trees.
Yeah, we have a huge canopy above us. We can't tell. But you can hear the sound. Well, everyone, this has been a short video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this short video. Warbler Woods is a fun walk. It's really congested with trees, so if you like a walk in, feel like you're in a deep forest, this is where you want to be. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give us a like, subscribe, and share it with a friend, and then we will see you in the next one. There's lots of ups and downs.